Hey everyone, I'm Nick, and I want to share a new resource for those interested in the more advanced topics in computer architecture or computer science. So on Zotero.org, I went ahead and made a reading group. So this is a completely open group, so you're more than welcome to join it. So we go ahead and go to the group library over here, and I'll have links to these below in the description. I've got basically a list of some of the most influential papers in computer architecture and the related areas, such as accelerator research. So if you're interested in mainly accelerators, you can sort by or just look at this collection called accelerators. Right now I have a couple papers in here and a couple books that are very important. If you're interested in mainly what are the foundational papers in computer architecture and computer engineering, I've got a fundamental section. So a lot of these papers are classically assigned readings in a graduate computer architecture course. So things like the paper on Tomasulo's algorithm, or the study on branch prediction strategies, or works on memory consistency and cache coherence. So I've got a list of these in there under this fundamentals section. I do mainly GPU work, so these are some of the top papers in GPU architecture and engineering. But I also have things on security and simulation and benchmarks as well. So again, I'll link all these below, so feel free to check them out and join this group, and let me know if you have any comments or maybe have suggestions of papers that would be useful to have or that you're looking for. I'll also be attaching small summaries to each of these papers to kind of ease the burden of jumping into research. I know it's very hard to begin reading a research paper, so if you can get a small summary that gives you the core idea without having to read the 11, 12, 13 pages of technical jargon that can be difficult to get through all at once, that might help as well. But that's going to go ahead and do it for today. As always, I'm Nick, and I hope you have a nice day.